Greetings, otakus. This is Adrian Rollins for East Strange Matrix. In case you haven't been watching, Shepherd Syndrome TV season 2 has already started. We're on episode 3 as of the viewing of this video. Or, well, it depends on when you view it. It'll probably be episode 8 if you see it late. But whatever, you get the point. At this point that I made it, we just finished episode 2. And I have a micro rant that I want to do this time about MMO games. Not the computer MMOs, I mean like MMOs like the ones on the iPod. Why is it that the iPod can have MMO games with all these people, like 16 people on the screen, or 20 or whatever, even if they are pixelated as heck or really small sprite hand drawn? Why is it why is it that the iPod has all kind of MMOs, but we don't have any MMOs on the PSP, the 3DS, the DS, or the PS Vita? What's up with that? I mean, granted that those are not some of the greatest MMOs. For the most part, they usually suck, except for a handful. Like I do like the Dragon, I forget the name of it. I know there's Seven Knights, and there's another one with Dragon something in the title. They're not really the best MMOs in the world, but I feel like if the iPod can pull off an MMO like that, why the heck don't we have MMOs on the 3DS and the PS Vita? That's all I want to know. Till next time, this is Adrian Brawler for East Strange Matrix saying be you, be true, be human. And watch Shepherd Syndrome TV. You'll enjoy it.